Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Classes. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Subtopic Agents of pollination. Yes, let's start the topic Agents of pollination. You know what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of the pollen grains to the stigma of the flower. So in flowers, they need some agents to transfer the pollen grains. It may be a biotic agent or it may be a abiotic agent. Abiotic agent means that may be wind and water, and the biotic agent, that is animal, to achieve the pollination. So the majority of the plants use the biotic agents for the pollination, like animals and the birds, like that. Only a small proportion of plants use the abiotic agents. Pollen grains coming in contact with the stigma is chance factor in both wind and water pollination. So let us start with the abiotic agents of pollination. The first one is pollination by wind. Here, the wind pollination also requires some characteristic feature in that plants, like pollen grains are light and non-sticky, and so that they can be transported in the wind currents. So they are non-sticky and they are lightweight, and often they possess well exposed stamens so that the pollens easily dispersed by the wind current, and large, often feathery stigma to easily trap the airborne pollen grains. So these are the characteristic features of the plants which pollinated by the wind. So these all features that help the plant to transfer the pollen grains to the stigma of the flower, right? Here, the wind-pollinated flowers often have single ovule in each ovary and numerous flowers packed into an inflorescence. So, the familiar example is corn cob. The tassels you see nothing but the stigma and style. So, in corn cob, corn cob, so the tassels that you see, no, like this hair-like structure, so that is nothing but the stigma and the style which wave in the wind to trap the pollen grains. So here the wind pollination that commonly we can see in grasses.